Hey guys, so today I'm doing another My Dog Picks What I Draw video, so let's go! This time Grim only has two options, unicorn or mermaid. So let's go. Okay Grim, unicorn or mermaid, let's go. Mermaid it is! That was quick. Could have chosen unicorn though. Okay, so Grim just picked mermaid and now I'm gonna draw it. Okay, so I think I fixed the face. Now I'm gonna move on to the body. Okay, I just finished the body, now I'm moving on to the tail. Let's go. I still have a lot of the tail left to do. I only have this much done. So I guess I have to finish it now. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, now the background is done. Now I have to color. Yay! Okay, the hair is done and now moving on to the face. Okay, so I just finished the face and now I'm moving on to the body. Let's go. Body, done. Now for the tail. Okay, the mermaid is done. Now just for the background, which will be done in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Whole mermaid is complete. Graham, do you like this drawing? Is that a yes? You like the drawing? Thank you so much. Thank you. I worked so hard. Thank you. I worked so hard on this drawing, Graham. I love you. I definitely didn't bribe you with a treat. Oh, I love